Hello, and thanks again for tuning in to another demo on utilizing your Liberland Dollar, your LLD tokens, across a variety of ecosystems. Today we're going to show you how to add liquidity to a pool on Raydium. Why would you do this? You would do this in order to earn a portion of the fees generated by liquidity pools when other people are swapping through them. This is a great way to earn passive income as you are facilitating greater liquidity through two tokens in a pair. So we can do that with LLD. We're going to show you how to do that now. So I'm on raydium.io. I'm in the liquidity area. My wallet is already connected. I have some USDC and LLD that I can put into a pool. So let's go see what I can find today. I can search for LLD or Liberland Dollar in the search field here. And as long as I select all, I can see all of the liquidity pools available. They are all SOL-LLD pairs. So I'm gonna have to go get some SOL tokens. That's no problem. I have some USDC I can sell for those. And then I can become a liquidity provider in one of these pools. There are two different kinds of pools on Raydium. You have standard pools, which allow your tokens to be sold at any price between the two pairs. And then there are concentrated pools where you actually set your tolerance, so basically what price your tokens can be used within. I can show you a quick example here. This concentrated pool has quite a bit of liquidity, good volume. If you hit deposit here, you will see that you need to set your price range within a certain parameter. Whereas if you go here and back to the standard pool, let's do this one. It's the one that's most highly used, and clearly could use some more SOL tokens at this point. Going to deposit there, and you see no such interface. What you will get is if you add, let's say you want to add one SOL token, you'll get a matching amount of LLD that you need to deposit there. So I don't have a ton of tokens in this wallet. I have 3 LLD. I actually have enough SOL in my wallet right now, just barely. So I'm going to take a pause, go get some SOL, and then we'll come back and do this. Okay, and we're back. And you can see now I have not refreshed anything. It just automatically updated my wallet balances. I have 5.94 LLD now and 0.13 SOL. So let's bump this up to all the LLD. $14 worth, $14 worth of SOL to match, and we're going to add liquidity. So we're going to have a few transactions here, or at least this one. So we've got a transaction here we need to approve. We're going to deposit SOL. We're going to deposit LLD. We're going to get some tokens back that represent our position in this liquidity pool, a little bit of a network fee, and we're ready to go. And it's that easy. Now I can stake those LP tokens, as I mentioned, in order to get additional rewards, depending on what's happening here. So if I hit stake, I'm gonna do 100% of that token. We're gonna put it in this farm and stake that liquidity, which will get us additional rewards. Confirm. And that's all there is to it. Now in a week or two, I'll come back, I'll check. I should have some fees generated, and hopefully the pooled liquidity is roughly about the same, or it's increased a little bit because other people have also deposited their tokens. If not, obviously I'll have a bigger share of the pool, which ultimately would benefit me as long as there's trading activity happening on this pool. And that's all there is to it. It's just a couple of clicks and you can become a liquidity provider and earn your portion of the fees generated by liquidity pools like this one on Raydium. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to join our Discord or Telegram communities, or of course, send us a question on X. The links to all of those platforms and how to reach us are at liberland.org.